Hi everyone, it's Rita from It's Rita to the Rescue. I am running out of time, as is my always is my problem every Christmas. I run out of time for making cards, and I run out of time for gift making and all of that. I have such good intentions, and they fall flat every year. But I keep trying, and one of the things that I had planned on showing you was this lovely little, very easy pyramid box that is closed up with a ribbon. And I thought I would turn it into like a little advent. Isn't that adorable? Turn it into like a little advent thing. I often get these pads of paper, and they have things like here. They have these little numbered tags, and I thought, oh, that's perfect for Advent, you know, or a countdown to Christmas. Well, it's already the 15th of December, so I kind of missed the boat there. But I wanted to show you at least how to put together this box, this pyramid. I think that's what it's called, a pyramid favor box. This comes from a file from Mary. It's from an old file that is just simply called gift boxes, and it has a lot of lovely gift boxes that we can make in the future. But I wanted to just show you this. It's a one-page cutout that has a lot of scoring, and then it has these little holes, and I wanted to show you. I of course cut out 24 pages of this in preparation for my little advent calendar, but of course I didn't make them all. So I used one sheet, and I created 24 of these. I made the file smaller, which you can do obviously, or you can cut it out in this size. This is the size that she gives it to you in. Very simple to put together. Put this aside. So it's very simple to put together. All you need to do is to fold everything at the flaps. Right, and I love using double-sided paper for this, but you can use the kind that's white on the back. And then we're going to want to make sure getting the camera. I'm always off camera for this stuff. And then we're just going to glue the flaps in towards the inside, and you'll see that 4 of the flaps have that little hole. That's for the ribbon. To the ribbon closure. So each point of the pyramid has a thicker tab than the other side. That's just kind of for structure of this little box, this favor box. And obviously this is one of those boxes that can be used for anything. It could be dressed up with glitter paper or sparkle paper and can be made into an ornament, or throughout the year maybe a adorable Valentine's Day item or something like that. But consider that when you buy a files, just because it might be seasonally created doesn't mean that you can't use it for other means. Mary, when she made this file, Mary over at SVG Cuts, I don't know that she made it specifically for Christmas, but I'm using it for Christmas, so there. Okay, so then once you've got all the flaps folded in, you're going to take all 4 points of it together, and you're going to need some ribbon. They have all kinds of ribbon at the craft stores, and I always just buy a bunch. Never know. You never know when you could use it. So, and then we're just going to string our ribbon into the holes. There may be a great way to do this. I have not figured out what the great way is. So I just put the ribbon in through the front, kind of like tying shoelaces, I think. And then I come back, I go through all 4 of the holes, and I come back, straighten it out. Don't tug too fast or hard because it could rip your paper. But then you simply close it like this and make, am I getting in camera? Please say I'm getting in camera. Okay, and then make a little bow. And you're gonna be more careful about closing it up properly than I would, but wouldn't this make a wonderful little treat box or favor box for someone that visits your home, or perhaps for like a treat for a holiday party that you want to give out a little favor in? I think that would be lovely. And I think too, if I had, had the time, I think it would have made a wonderful little idea for a Christmas countdown or an Advent countdown. I love that idea. I just ran out of time. So here we go. Let's fix this bow a little bit. And I'm going to snip it here. And there you go. Another great thing, there you go, isn't that adorable? And here's the smaller version. Let me close it up. Another great idea for this would be to turn it into a Christmas ornament. You could put something in there, maybe a candy or two, or a little prize of some sort. When my son was little, we had something called the Christmas pickle. And I think we still have that ornament, but it might be a fun way when people come over to the house, once you have your tree decorated. Mine's not decorated yet, but once you have your tree decorated, to put these sort of ornaments on the tree, and the people that find them get to keep the treat inside. I always thought that was fun, and then it gives people the opportunity to see how pretty your tree is, because they're really going to study the tree looking for that Christmas pickle or the pyramid boxes. So there you go. A really fun little project that you can really be flexible about and do anything with. Thanks so much for coming today. My name is Rita, and this is my channel, Miss Rita to the Rescue. I am looking for a few good subscribers and would love it if you could join me in my quest. I have reached my Christmas goal of 2,000, actually exceeded my Christmas goal. So, wow, I am so impressed. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And as an incentive to be a subscriber, I do have a giveaway that's going on through the month of December for Cricut EasyPress Mini, which are these fabulous little easy presses, adorable. And it comes with, I'm going to be sending out to 5 winners. It comes with Infusible Ink, which is the brand new product by Cricut, Infusible Ink, pens, and transfer sheets that create a beautiful, seamless transfer on any, well, on coasters and shirts and totes and baby onesies. It's a great product, and it does handle the heat of the Infusible Ink. It's not a little iron. It is its own little product. It heats up very hot, and it's a great little product to have. So do definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make a comment so I know you're there, and then put your name in for the giveaway. Thanks for coming today. Make it a great day.